So in the last video I was talking so much about out of system setting, and therefore I wanted to do another video because I wanted to show you another exercise you can do and take a closer look on the technical part of high sets. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome on my channel. Hope you have a great day. This is all about volleyball. Today we're going to take another look on out of system settings on high sets. Every player on the court needs to be able to do a high set from every situation, and therefore this needs to be practiced in your training. And today we're going to take a closer look on the technical side of this exercise. I got one exercise for you which you can do right at the beginning of the training. It's very easy movements and easy technical solutions you can find. From the trainer view, it is very easy to make some corrections, and therefore this is great to start your training. So let's take a look at the exercise first. We are working here as the whole group together, starting on position 2 and 4. Every player has a ball, tossing the ball over the net to his partner, and then making a high set to the other net position 4 and 2. And after that, they get another tossed ball from a co-trainer, from a helper who is positioned in the corner of the court. They are doing their second action, second high ball set to the same position. After their two actions, the two high sets, they go for catching the next two balls from the next player and then returning back to base, starting all over again. So as you can see, easy exercise. The sketch is much more confusing, but the tosses are here in white and the high sets are in blue, and the black arrows are the movement of the players. I skipped the ones returning back to the starting position. Now let's move on to the technical part to look at the keys for a great high set to make the attackers look great. And there are 3 technique keys I would like to share with you. First thing is the position under the ball. So for me it is very important that the guys find a great and stable position under the ball. They need quick feet to move over the court under the ball and then have a great and stable position to make their set. Second thing is the alignment of the body. I want them to face front to the attacker. The players are supposed to square up their shoulders, so they have to play a rectangle to their shoulder axis. I don't want to see any lateral sets over the shoulder, because this is the easy and most safe way to make a great set. So the third key is the impulse on the ball. I want them to move their full body, to straighten the full body, straighten the legs, straighten the hips, straighten their arms, to make this impulse on the ball, because we need power to make a high set, and therefore this is not like a neutral set from the setter where we try to fool the opponent's block or try to disguise the direction of our play. This is just a perfect set to the outside position on the net, and therefore this has to be very precise, and therefore we can use our full body. Okay guys, hope you liked this video, hope you liked the exercise. If so, please smash the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and then we will see us in the next video. If you want some additional help for your training planning, check out my volleyball training planner. You can use it for the documentary of your trainings and how to progress over the season. I use the blue version, which kind of perfect fits me, making the sketches and writing down what I'm going to do. But there are other versions, so every trainer has his perfect solution to make his training planning. Hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.